Hey everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali. We post easy peasy recipe videos on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, please click that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon.
Today we'll be making traditional Indian dessert recipe Shrikhand. So Shrikhand is very famous in western parts of India, namely Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan.
Please watch this video till the end as the detailed ingredients and serving sizes will be shown after the video.
So without any further delay, let's get started.
Take a deep bottomed vessel or a saucepan. Place a strainer inside it. Next, take a cotton or muslin cloth and spread it on top of the strainer as shown. Put the yogurt in the cloth. Then wrap the cloth and tie a knot tightly so that the yogurt doesn't come out. Put a weight on top of this. We will be using a glass bowl filled with water. You can use any heavy object. Basically, this process will help drain the water from the yogurt and we will be left with thick yogurt which is required to make this dish. Let this stay for about 6 to 8 hours. By keeping this for 6 to 8 hours, the yogurt will become a bit sour and that will give a nice flavor to our dish. If you don't want to strain and wait that long, you can use Greek yogurt instead. Traditionally, straining gives the best flavor to this dish, so we suggest to try it out. Coming back to our recipe, it has been around 8 hours since we have kept this aside. Let's take it out of the cloth. This is how the strained yogurt looks. It has thickened into the consistency we need. In case you use saffron like us, put a few strands in some warm milk and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. That way, the saffron will become more flavorful and colorful. Now take the strained yogurt in a mixing bowl. Next, add the sugar. We will be making a traditional version using cardamom powder, saffron and some crushed pistachios and almonds. Add the saffron. Next, add the cardamom powder. And mix well. You can add any syrups, essence of your choice and make your own version of the Shrikhand. Adding fresh fruits is also a great way to make your Shrikhand more delicious. Once the mixture comes to a smooth consistency, add the crushed pistachios and almonds in it. Now whisk the mixture well until it comes to a creamier consistency. At this stage, do taste and see if you need some more sugar or seasonings. Lastly, refrigerate for an hour or two. While serving, garnish with crushed dry fruits of your choice to bring about that nutty flavor. And that's it, your delicious super creamy Shrikhand is ready.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please do like, share and comment to this video if you like it.
Spices are the heart of Indian dishes. So to know more about Indian spices, do watch our video. Click here.
Chou susume desu.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.